YouTube family, I'm going to be unpacking 2 packages that I received. One is going to come from Burpee and the other one is going to come from Gurney's. I may not be pronouncing the name right, but that's how I see it, and if I'm wrong, don't shoot me. Okay, so the first one I'm going to open is the package that I received from Burpee's. Burpee's came in a package like this with my seeds. And the seeds that I got from Burpee and the reason why I purchased Burpee's and Gurney, I purchased them at the same time to see which one was going to come first. And Burpee's order arrived faster than the Gurney's order. So if you're ordering seeds for me in my state, Burpee's came quicker and Gurney's came about, I want to say like 7 days later when I ordered them at the same time, same night. So what I ordered from Burpee's, I ordered some heirloom bush beans, some summer squash, which is zucchini. I've eaten zucchini before, but I've never grown zucchini. So this will be my first time growing zucchini. Garden beans, also another heirloom. Sweet corn. And I got Pak Choy. It's a type of mustard. This is the first time that I'm going to grow this type of mustard. Pak Choy. And all of these are heirloom. I didn't do that with my Gurney's order. I didn't pay attention, and some of my seeds that I'm getting from Gurney's, they're hybrid, and that's on me because I should have paid better attention and ordered just the heirlooms, because that's what I prefer. If you want hybrid and heirlooms, organic or whatever, that you pick whatever you want to. But I wanted all heirloom, but I didn't get that with my Gurney's order. But with Burpee's, all of mine were heirloom, and this is how they come in a pack like this. So, now, on to my Gurney's order. Gurney's came in a package like this. Seeds. And the receipts in the bag. Okay. Like I said, most of mine that I ordered have hybrid on them. This is sweet corn, but it's a hybrid. I think I got 2 of these. And sweet corn. I got 2 packs of those. Then I got an order of pole beans. And this is my order of Pak Choy. I tried this at a Chinese restaurant and it was good, so I'm going to try to grow it and cook it myself to see if it has the same flavor or even a better flavor. So this is Pak Choy. Pak Choy. Spinach. Eaten spinach before but never grew it. This will be our first year growing spinach. Swiss chard. I have never tasted Swiss chard, just like the Pak Choy. And this says the bright light. So this is going to be a mix of the red, orange, and I believe purple colored Swiss chard. This will be our first time growing it and also tasting it. And I got this just for fun. It's the Ornamental Corn. Ornamental Corn. If I'm pronouncing it wrong. And I also got the glass gem. Ornamental Corn glass gem. It's a type of, I want to say it's a decorative type of corn. It's purple, it's red, it's shiny. It's something for me and the kids just to play with and use it for decoration. It's not going to be eaten, but it's a very pretty corn. Look it up. It's very pretty. So once again, the reason why I got these two I ordered these two. I was wanting to see who was going to be the fastest shipper, and I see that Burpee's ships faster than Gurney's. I want to thank you for watching my YouTube video. I'm going to have some more videos coming out with me unboxing and unpacking before we start our garden and getting everything ready for the garden outside, and also for my hydroponics. So stay tuned, subscribe, like, and share. Thank you. Thank you. Bye.